Hello, today I will show you how to create a Microsoft Teams meeting link in Schoology. So this is actually really simple. You're going to go to the course that you want to create the meeting in. So I'm going to do it in my Sandbox course, which is a course where you can mess around and play with some of the settings of Schoology. Then I'm going to look for the Teams meeting link, which is underneath the picture of the course. Once you're here, you will link your Office 365 account to Schoology. So you'll need to sign in. This is with your MNPS username and password. Then, once you're signed in, you can create a meeting link. You will title it something relevant. You'll make sure that you have the correct date and time where you'd like to meet students, and then you'll hit create. Once you have the Teams meeting link, you can go to the copy button, and then you'll want to put this information somewhere where your students will see it easily. So if I go back up to materials, I might want to add a page that says Teams meeting link Friday 10 a.m. And maybe I will paste it in here and create a page for students to see. I might even want to change it to inline instead of displaying on a new page so that students will see it right away without having to click anything. So students can just click this link to join your Teams meeting. You could also copy this link and put it other places, like in an email to parents or in a text message as well. Thank you.